Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Pavoni Stradivari espresso machine. Now for this machine we replace all the gaskets that you see right here. These ones are from the piston one, from the group head sleeve, from the side glass, from the piston rod, this is the side glass itself. This is the case, the older case of the side glass. We replace the group head gasket, pretty much all the gaskets on this machine. We replace we also installed this new pressure gauge on the machine. It will tell you when the machine overheats and when the machine is ready. And yeah, that's all we did to this espresso machine. We polished it a bit and cleaned up some of the oil residue that was around here on the machine to make it more look pretty and to remove all that oil from it. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right grind settings to this machine. Otherwise we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee very dripping. Lever goes up very easily. Now we can extract the coffee. Bearing with me, I am doing it with just one hand and I only have one, and I have one big tablet holding with the other one. Good espresso shot coming out of the machine. Probably needed to use a more coarser grind, just a tiny little bit, or maybe not tamper that hard in order to get a much uniform pour coming out of the spouts. But as you can see, the machine looks, the espresso shot looks great. Really good crema, excellent color at the top of the shot. Really working great. Steaming of this machine, as you can see, working extremely well, working perfectly, working great. And there you have it, Pavoni working once again and with a new gauge. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.